Good morning, this is Rich Nelson with Allendale. Let's cover the early morning comments. Today is Wednesday, February 9th, 2011. Well, today's a big day, of course. This is the monthly supply-demand report from USDA. Let's take a quick look at the numbers and spend most of the commentary on just what USDA had to say. They did drop corn ending stocks. Last month, they were 745 million bushels. This month, they said 675. So this is actually the first time we actually see corn stocks below that 700 mark now. So 675. As far as the changes, USDA added 50 to the ethanol numbers and an extra 20 million bushels to its the other industrial category, things like high fructose corn syrup and those type of categories. So this large drop in corn ending stocks was certainly much more than people were expecting. They were only looking for a 5 to 10 million bushel drop. So this is certainly very bullish for the corn and gives us this renewed focus on new upside prices. In terms of corn pricing, we'd probably put this easily a 15-cent higher open today for corn. So very exciting on this end. Other news for corn, we can also point out USDA did lower Argentina's corn crop from 23.5 to 22.0 million tons. So as far as today, this is a corn-based report. Over in the soybean numbers, they actually left them unchanged. 140 million bushels is the number for old crop ending stocks. Also, as far as world numbers, we can point out, though they did drop Argentina's soybean crop by 1 million metric ton, they did increase Brazil's soybean crop by 1 million metric ton. So bottom line, the numbers kind of cancel each other out, and with no change at all on the old crop U.S. stocks, looks like we still have a focus on corn today. So where corn's up maybe 15 off the open, maybe beans will be up 10 cents higher off the open, simply being dragged higher by that corn. Over on the wheat side, numbers were left unchanged as well for the U.S. numbers, 818 million bushels. So that's kind of neutral here for us. We can point out, of course, the trade is still looking at winter kill. The fact that many areas in the plains, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, did see sub-zero temperatures again last night. So we do have quite, in fact, the last couple of weeks, some significant concerns about winter kill potential damage. So though the numbers as far as USDA's report were neutral, there is still some focus on winter kill being an issue, and that will certainly help the wheat higher today. Numbers overnight were maybe up around 9 or 10 cents. We'll look for about a 10 to 15 cent higher open on wheat here. Over on livestock, we can point out, as far as the hogs, though there's actually a mixed call right now, a mixed opening call, we would actually be a little higher here. The fact that that hogs are trading off of corn's general moves, we should see the hog market react here today. With that in mind, maybe a slightly higher open and a steady higher trade throughout most of the day for hogs. We will point out the pork cutout has been kind of mixed here the last few days, actually a little lower. Last three days have seen some moderate declines in the pork cutout. As far as the beef side, the official call from the floor is a little higher. We do have to point out, though, that we do still have some concerns about this wholesale beef market. It had 3 days of weakness from Thursday through Monday, so some concern there. Last night's, in fact, was down as well, 15 cents for choice and 37 cents for wholesale beef. So even though the official trade is official openings a little higher for cattle, we're not going to look for too much out of this market today. Maybe kind of mixed, slightly higher tone. But overall today, certainly looks like we'll have a lot of excitement. Corn should lead the way. Numbers are very bullish for corn, and this is a renewed focus on a market which really has been kind of floundering, looking for new information the last couple of weeks. And with today's market news, they certainly got it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at Allendale. Our number is 1-800-262-7538. With today's new news, new market focus, and new information, you certainly do need to give Allendale a call, find out what our marketing plan is for corn, do some potential re-ownership of any old crop sales that may have been made for that corn as well. Your Allendale broker or anyone who answers the phone can give you those strategies, work it out for your operation and your farm as well. So certainly with that in mind, give us a call, 1-800-262-7538. This is Rich Nelson. Have a good trade today and a good trading week.